Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. On the platform of Bright Learners Academy. Let's see some highly important focused English literature questions on the unit of English in India, which is asked in state eligibility test or the UGC NET examination, completely with the explanation. So when we are preparing for the English literature, there is a in English in India, which is the important unit which we have to prepare. So here, who among the following elaborated on the Indianization of English? So who is the first given among the four options, that is L.M. Kubachandani, B. कुमार वैद्यवेलु, बी कचरू एंड द राजेंद्र सिंह. तो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर यहाँ पे हो जाएगा बी कचरू. सी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हियर. वाई? बिकॉज द ब्रज बी कचरू इज ऑफ दैट foundational figure in world Englishes. He coined the concept of Indianization. So who give the term to us that Indianization? B. Kachru. English and categorize English uses globally into three concentric circles. He gave the three circles of the language that he divided into inner circle, outer circle. Okay, so concentric circle, the inner circle, outer circle, where Indian English resides and expanding the circle. So Brij Kachru. Braj Kachru के बाद next question. Which British administrator is famously associated with the 1835 Minute on Indian Education? So who is the British administration is famously associated with the 1835 Minute on Indian Education? Lord Cornwallis, Lord Macaulay, William Bentinck, or the Lord Dalhousie. So the correct option is Macaulay's Minute or the Lord Macaulay, because 1835 there is a Macaulay Minute, famous incident happened in English in India. So the Thomas Babington Macaulay, or the known as Lord Macaulay, drafted the influential minutes which officially established English as the medium of instruction. क्योंकि पहली बार ये Macaulay Minute में बताया गया कि English as a medium of instruction रहेगा इंडिया में, aiming to create the class of people to teach and learn the English. Indian in blood and color but English in taste. मतलब इंडियन लोगों का कलर ब्लड तो इंडियन रहेगा बट इनकी जो टेस्ट है वो इंग्लिश हो जाएगी. ओपिनियन इन मॉरल एंड इन इंटेलेक्ट. सो इट इज़ द लॉर्ड मैकॉले. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु रोड द फेमस एसे बुक द डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया? महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर और आर के नारायणा. So the correct option is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the Discovery of India, written during the Nehru's imprisonment at Ahmednagar Fort 1942 to 1945. Next question is that who wrote the foundational autobiographical work, The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian? Who wrote the foundational autobiographical work, The Autobiography of Unknown India? Niraj C. Chaudhary, Khushwant Singh, Mulkraj Anand or Raja Rao. So the correct option is Niraj C. Chaudhary. Niraj C. Chaudhary wrote the book or published in 1951. This highly provocative and celebrated autobiography मानी जाती है निराज चौधरी की. Chaudhary's early life in East Bengal, offering an unsparing and delighted critique of Indian society and British colonialism. So C option number A, Niraj Chaudhary, is correct. Next question. Which novel by Raja Rao is deeply concerned with Indian philosophy, Vedanta and a quest for spiritual identity? तो राजा राव का वो कौन सा वर्क है जो डील करता है इंडियन फिलोसॉफी, वेदांता एंड द क्वेस्ट फॉर स्पिरिचुअल आइडेंटिटी? कांतापुरा, द सर्पेंट एंड द रोप, द कैट एंड द शेक्सपियर, अनटचेबल. So the correct answer is here The Serpent and the Rope. Serpent and the Rope पब्लिश हुआ था 1960 में. दिस इज अ सेमी ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल वर्क है. ये फिलोसॉफिकल नॉवल है. टेल्स द स्टोरी ऑफ रामा एंड इंडियन इंटेलेक्चुअल एंड हिज फ्रेंच वाइफ मेंडेलाइन एक्सप्लोरिंग द थीम्स ऑफ ईस्ट वेस्ट मेटाफिजिक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेट्स सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मुल्कराज आनंद पायनियरिंग नॉवल. मुल्कराज की आनंद की पायोनियरिंग या पायोनियर जो नॉवल है शुरुआत की जो पहली, अनटचेबल अनफोल्ड्स विद इन व्हाट टाइम फ्रेम, अ वीक, अ मंथ, अ सिंगल डे और अ ईयर. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अ सिंगल डे, बिकॉज अनटचेबल ये जो मुल्कराज आनंद की फेमस नॉवल है जो सेट इन 1935. द नॉवल क्रॉनिकल्स इन सिंगल डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ भाका. भाका के पूरे दिन का एक आपको फ्रेम देखने को मिलेगा. अनटचेबल स्वीपर बॉय, इट इज एक्सपोज द हार्श रियलिटीज ऑफ कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन using stark social realism. Next question. The next question is R.K. Narayana's fictional town, the setting for almost all his novels is called. So the seventh question is that R.K. Narayana's fictional town setting for almost all his novel is called Malgudi. Malgudi is a fictional city created by the Narayana, which is we can found in number of works. Next is that which Indian English poet is famous for writing the autobiographical poem beginning with the line I don't speak in politics, friends, title and introduction. Sarojini Naidu, Nizam Ezekiel, Kamala Das Torudutt. So the introduction is a famous poem which is asked in the previous examination by the Kamala Das. Kamala Das is widely known for her confessional poetry. An introduction explore the themes of female identity, linguistic choice and the patriarchal suppression she faced in India. Next is that अरुण कोलाटकर्स जेजुरी, यहाँ जेरी हुआ है बट इट्स अरुण कोलाटकर जेजुरी, अ कलेक्शन ऑफ पोम्स दैट ओन द साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड इज अबाउट. सो इट इज अ विलेज इन महाराष्ट्र इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. पब्लिश इन 1976. Jesuri is the brilliant modernist sequence of poems detailing the poet's visit to the Khandoba temple in Jesuri. Next is that what was the status of English in India after the independence according to the constitution? So it is the association language, initially designated to be the phased out English as a retained as an associate language under article for the official government. So English is associated as known as the associate language. Next question is that question number 11 we will see on the screen. Let's read the question. So the question 11, which Indian English playwright wrote the play Dance Like a Man? So Vijay Tendulkar, Mahesh Dattani, Girish Karnad, Asif Karamboy. So the correct option is here is that Mahesh Dattani. So the Mahesh Dattani is the first playwright writing the English to win the Sahitya Akademi Award. His works including Tara and Final Solution. So the what will be the correct answer? हमारा correct answer है Mahesh Dattani. The name of the work is Dance Like a Man. Next question who is that who is first author of Indian origin to win the Booker Prize? Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Rai, V.S. Naipaul, Kiran Desai. So the Salman Rushdie. Next is that the famous poem Our Casuarina Tree was written by Torudutt. Next question, what literary device is major characteristics of post-colonial Indian English novels such as those by Salman Rushdie? The correct option is magic realism.